I think that first of all, the animal behavior course has two very clear trajectories associated with it. You have a fundamental learning trajectory, but also a very applied one. But at the core of both those trajectories would be the range of field trips that we offer. So we allow students to get hands-on experience in naturalistic or semi-naturalistic settings by way of observing what animals do, why they interact the ways they do with other components of their environment. And not only that, they actually get hands-on exposure to observing and actually recording behavioral data.
I chose this course because growing up I've always been attracted to animals, always out and about looking for stuff, and then as you grow up you sort of question more, so why is that doing that? Why is it moving there? What's it behaving like? And I think I wanted a bit more of that scientific background, so something to sort of boost my own knowledge and confidence, sort of looking at different areas of conservation, and sort of find my pathway into the nature world.
So animal behavior is essentially the scientific study of how animals interact with their environment, and that environment can be the natural environment in the context of wild or free-ranging animals, but also environments that involve humans, in other words interactions between humans and domestic animals, include livestock as well as pets at home. So we try and understand why and how animals behave the way they do, in other words interact with their environmental components the way they do, and also ultimately how that influences their ability to have offspring, survive, and successfully pass on their genes to the next generation. And needless to add that survival also means that we have a very strong focus on health and welfare as well, both again in the context of animals in domestic settings as well as in wild animals. Wild animals in zoos and rehabilitation centers. I think we have an excellent blend of staff who have strengths in key areas, both applied and fundamental, ranging from animal cognition and learning, animal husbandry and captive welfare, to human-animal interactions and human-wildlife interactions and conservation behavior. We also have an excellent research focus. We are all many of us, I would say, are very research active, which means we actively work with students to basically design and execute studies that are publishable. So the animal behavior course is accredited by the Royal Society for Biology, so the RSP, and any changes and suggestions that come up would ensure that they are integrated, and therefore the course is very actively sort of evolving with the, shall we say, pedagogical requirements and trajectories of the RSP. Thank you very much. I really hope that you have a good time around campus and join us and have a really rewarding pedagogical and learning experience here at ARU.